Hello to my skincare lovers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing a review on my 2-verse Veetgold body lotion. If you are new to my channel, my name is Elo and I would love you to join the wonderful community that we have here by clicking on the red subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell, and if you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Here with me, I have my 2 favorite lotion and I'll be making a review on it. And the reason why I love Veetgold products is that it is super affordable, super effective, and they have wide range of products to suit your skin needs. At the end of this video, I will share how to use these 2 products for an effective result. So if you're someone that have used this product previously and you're not impressed with the results, watch this video to the end. I know right now you'll be asking, hello, which one is your favorite? Honestly, these 2 products, I can't even decide which one is my favorite. And I would like to share with you, or what I have in common, why I love this product is because these 2 products, I got it for the same price. I bought it for 3,400, but depending on where you're buying it, you might buy it more expensive or cheaper. But I got this product for 3,400 and it is 621 ml. 621 ml. This thing can actually last you for 4 months or more, depending on how you are using it, and it offers 48 hours hydration. Oh my goodness. And it has SPF 25 to offer minimal protection against UVA and UVB. So if you're someone that don't use sunscreen in your skincare routine, body sunscreen, I mean, this can actually do your skin a lot of good by preventing it from getting dark and at the same time protect you from sun damage. Both of this lotion contains 9 moisturizers to keep you hydrated, and it also contains vitamin B5 and vitamin E, and it is also formulated from 100% plant extract, and it's suitable for all skin types. Firstly, I'm going to be reviewing this lotion. This lotion is called Veetgold Fairness and Femin with Mixed Fruit Moisturizing Lotion. It contains vitamin B5, vitamin C, vitamin E, and fruit extracts, including rose extract, strawberry extract, pomegranate extract, and orange extract. The vitamin B5 in this formulation will help your skin attract and retain moisture, and at the same time helps to boost the production of collagen, which will help to minimize melanin production on your skin and also help to fight dark spots on your skin. So this is what vitamin B5 will do to your skin. Then when it comes to vitamin C in the formulation, vitamin C brightens the skin, finds signs of aging, while the vitamin E is an antioxidant which will help to fight against free radicals such as aging skin and sun damage. So this is what the vitamin in this will help you do, while the extract is loaded with vitamins such as vitamin C. So this will actually brighten up your skin. That's why I do recommend this for someone that is light skin or someone that wants to brighten up their skin. This will actually work well for you. And let's talk about the fragrance. The fragrance is amazing. It smells like fruity kind of body lotion. So if you're someone that is in love with fruity fragrance, this will actually work well for you. And with consistent use, this will actually hydrate your skin. You know, hydration is the key when it comes to a healthy skin, and it will also clarify your skin, glow up your skin, and help your skin maintain a vibrant complexion. So this is actually a nice one. And one thing I love about this lotion is that it absorbs smoothly and evenly on the skin. You don't need to struggle when you're using this lotion. Once you apply it on your skin, it melts really well and inside your skin to glow up your skin and start doing its finished work. So if you're skeptical if this Veetgold lotion is amazing, well, I'm telling you right now that it is worth buying, and you know it's super affordable. Well, if you're a dark person wondering if you can use this product, yes, you can use this product. This product can actually help you to enhance your skin complexion without you looking like you're about to damage your skin or bleach your skin. For example, if you're a dark person that is battling with hyperpigmentation, this is very, very good lotion for you to use without having to irritate your skin, because it's made from 100% plant. And I just listed the ingredients, the main ingredients in the formulation, which is vitamins and plant extract. So you shouldn't be worried if this thing will, knock you out from your natural complexion. No, it will only fight the pigmentation on your skin and also help you to maintain your skin. So this is actually a good one, and I do recommend it. But what I don't believe about this lotion is that it claims that it offers 48 hours of hydration. I don't believe that this lotion will offer you 48 hours hydration. And at the same time, if you want to keep your skin hydrated, I always recommend you buy oil. I've already made a review and talked about the importance of oil. Oil helps your skin to lock in moisture. So if you're someone that is battling with dry skin, I advise, while buying this lotion, also buy your oil. After using this lotion, you seal it up with your oil. I'm not going to talk about much about this. I will definitely talk more about it in the end of my video. And yeah, it softens the skin, smooths the skin, brightens your skin, and give your skin that plump it needs, and also boost your skin complexions, the vibrance of your skin complexion. This is Veetgold Ultra Healing Moisturizing Body Lotion with almond and honey extract. And guys, we are twinning. This is actually for someone that has dry skin. It also contains vitamin B5, vitamin C, vitamin E. And guys, when I made a review on this, I already told you guys what this vitamin does. So I'll just move ahead to explain what the honey and almond oil will do in this formulation. And well, let's start from the honey. The benefit of honey. Benefit of honey is that it offers hydration to the skin, and it helps with irritated skin, and also helps to fight acne breakouts on your skin. And this is actually a very good one to give your skin a natural radiant glow, and also help to fight dry skin. Well, if you are wondering if honey can actually lighten your skin, to be honest with you, yes, honey can actually lighten your skin. Honey has brightening benefits, hydrating benefits, and also prevents breakouts on your skin, keep your skin moisturized, healthy, and help to give your skin that radiant glow. So honey is very, very beneficial, especially for someone that struggle with dry skin or breakouts. I do recommend this. If you're having body acne, the honey in this formulation will help your skin fight such. And the almond oil is also very good, which is also, it's highly hydrating as well. At the same time, the almond oil will help with, if you have sun damage, this will actually help with your sun damage, and also help to minimize scars on your skin. So this is generally for hydration, smoothness, and enhancement of your skin complexion, and also help to fight dry skin on your skin. With consistent use, this will actually restore your dry skin to its normal state and keep your skin healthy, moisturized, and give you that happy, glowing, radiant skin that you always want. And I told you guys I will also be sharing on how to use this product for effective results. So if you're someone that have used this product and you didn't like the results, well, you have to understand, what are you using this product for? Are you using it for skin brightening or maintenance? So if you want to use this products for skin brightening, I will advise you to get a very good brightening body wash to use along with this. Then if you're someone that just feel like, oh, I like my light skin, I like my dark skin, I'm just looking for a way to maintain my skin complexion, I would advise that you use this product with moisturizing body wash. And also remember to exfoliate your skin. In this channel, we know the importance of exfoliating your skin. And I know if you're joining us for the first time, yes, we always talk about it because it's very important. When you exfoliate your skin, it helps your skin to get rid of dead skin cell that will clog on your skin, making your skin look dry and unhealthy. So if you're a lazy person, I will still advise you to exfoliate at least once in a week to help your skin get rid of dead skin cell. I remember why exfoliating, always make sure you use your exfoliating glove to help the scrub to penetrate very well. I already made a video on one of my favorite body scrub to use on your skin, so you can also watch it out. Well, I'll be leaving a link down below. And the same as oil, I talked about the importance of oil, how it will help your skin lock in moisture, especially if you're someone that has dry skin. Even though this product I have here promise that it's for extra dry skin that offers 48 hours protection, I would advise you do not rely on this product alone to offer you the hydration your skin needs. You can as well buy oil to lock in moisture after using this lotion. And I've also shared glowing oil that you can actually use. It will not lighten your skin or darken your skin, but it will help to nourish your skin. And guys, we have come to the end of today's topic. What do you think about today's topic? Was it interesting? And what other things would you like me to share on this channel? Please kindly let me know on the comment section. Till we see next time, don't forget to drink your water, eat your fruits and vegetable, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.